Today's a fun day. You wanna know why? I got a new dick. Y'all know me. I love a good dick. I love a lot of good dicks. This one is extra special, although I don't know what dick it is because, well, just because. I don't know. I ordered 2 and I'm really excited. So, background is I am now an affiliate for RealDoll. If you are unfamiliar with RealDoll, they make sex dolls, like really fancy ones too. They are absolutely gorgeous. And so I became an affiliate for them, and they sent me some dicks. Alright, so what's in the box first? Ooh, I think this might be the Monster Cock one. So they sent me some Monster Cock stickers. Oh, maybe it's the RealCock. I don't know which one it is. Stickers. So RealDoll, they make sex dolls. They're literally beautiful. They look like people. Even sent me this little thing. It has information about how you can customize it, because you can customize the fuck out of their sex dolls. I'm really, really excited. Y'all have no idea my level of excitement. So they also own Monster Cocks, which is, I guess, a sister company. I don't know the best way to describe it. So I'm really, really excited. Actually, I got this earlier this week, and I have been aching to unbox this. So they sent me some info. Okay. I got some lube. I ordered this because I wanted to make sure I had a lube that is compatible with my new dick. Oh, it looks like there's a shirt in here. Who doesn't love a good shirt? Ooh, it's got sex dolls on it! Ah! Who doesn't love good sex dolls? Ugh. Thank you so much, Abyss and RealDoll and Monster Cock and Michael. Shout out. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Alright, here. Box size. The dick literally comes to about here. I know the dick is pretty big. I have my laptop here. Sorry, I don't remember specs very well. It is 8.5 inches long. The circumference is 6 inches. And the diameter is 2 inches. This thing is huge. Did I go too big? I don't know yet. Alright. We're about to find out. They actually, like, just put another dick on their website, like a new one. And it's bigger than this. I'm weird. I'm sorry. I can't do normal unboxings. People are like, I got this. And then I'm over here like, whatever. Alright. I like that there's not a ton of packaging. That's good. I don't like a lot of packaging. This baby. So I got the dark skin tone, and the reason for that is because I have a really difficult time finding good cocks. Oh, wow. Wow. This feels good. And it's like, it squishes like a real dick. Anyway, sorry, I am like way too excited about this. I wanted a dark cock because I have very realistic white Caucasian cocks, but I don't have a realistic, like, black dick. And I wanted one that's more on the realistic side. And this is so realistic. They're hand-painted. They're made to order, which is awesome. Oh my gosh. This baby is beautiful. It's like, so it's squishy on the outside, but it's very firm on the inside, and it's got like good weight to it. It doesn't have a suction cup. That is okay because, oh, I can see inside it. It is compatible with VacuLock, so I could put this on a VacuLock strap on and fuck someone with it, or someone could fuck me with it, or I could attach this to a fuck machine if I had one. My girlfriend has one. It's fine. I'll just steal hers. So yeah, it's VacuLock compatible. And honestly, this thing feels really good. Oh, look at that. You can grab it and massage it the way you... Oh, you can massage the balls. Holy fuck, look at that. Massagey balls. Balls are funny. Sorry, they are. This is really cool. I am so excited to use this. It's girthy. I mean, look at that, baby. I love everything about this so far. Holy shit. Thank you so much, Abyss. I am so excited to use this in videos. You guys are going to see me use this a lot. And there's another one coming from their Monster Cock collection, which is technically a separate business owned by the same company. DBA, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. Not my part of the deal, okay? I don't know those intimate details. I'm just going to sit here and play with the balls. They feel like balls. Y'all. Don't mind me. I'm weird. I'm fine. I'm normal. This is amazing though. Look at how beautiful this is. So like I said, it is 8.5 inches. Guys, when you say you're 8.5 inches, you are not this long. I'm kidding. If this is what their sex dolls feel like, wow. It feels like kind of sweaty skin, like humidity skin. Do you know what I mean? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But it feels good. It feels like real skin. It's got the same kind of drag that real skin has. I bet with real skin, I don't mean the material real skin, I mean like human flesh. I bet with some lube, this is going to just feel amazing. I am in love with this already. Holy fuck balls. We gonna have fun with this baby. So again, RealCock by RealDolls. If you go to RealDoll.com, this is the Dirk. They have 4 real dicks available. I chose the Dirk because I wanted something long enough for when I'm filming, because that's very important to me. But they have other ones that are a little smaller. They have one that's bigger. It's like 10 inches. And it's got like Coke can dick. Oh. Anyway, I'm super, super excited about this bad boy. Oh, it feels good. And it doesn't have a whole lot of bounce. So I think if I do get a fuck machine / steal my girlfriend's fuck machine. Oh, my cat's trying to knock over my tripod, sorry. This won't be like too floppy to properly like, that's a problem I've had with other dicks that are vacuum compatible on fuck machines. They're too floppy and they're not firm enough to just slide on in there. So I'm really, really excited about this. And now I'm going to cut the video. I'm going to give this baby a wash and I'm going to put him to the test. But I'm really excited. This is going to be super fun.